Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hatika Batul and today we are going to discuss about Pakistani Physicist lecture number 1. So let's start our video. In this video, we will discuss about Dr. Abdus Salam, a pioneer in physics. Well, Dr. Abdus Salam was a renowned Pakistani theoretical physicist who made groundbreaking contributions to the field of physics. He is best known for his work on electrowave theory, which earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1979. He was the first Pakistani and the first Muslim to receive a Nobel Prize in Science. Early life and education of Dr. Abdus Salam. Dr. Abdus Salam was born in Chang, Punjab, in what is now Pakistan. From an early age, he showed a remarkable aptitude for mathematics and science. He excelled in school and earned a scholarship to Government College University in Lahore, where he completed his undergraduate studies. He then went to the University of Cambridge in the UK, where he earned a PhD in theoretical physics. Now, major contributions of Dr. Abdus Salam. His major contribution is in the field of electroweak theory. Dr. Abdus Salam is best known for his work on the unification of the weak nuclear force and electromagnetic force, known as electroweak theory. His work in this area earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics, shared with Sheldon Glashow and Steven Weinberg. Advancing science in developing countries. He founded the International Center for Theoretical Physics (ICTP) in Trieste, Italy, to provide scientists from developing countries with opportunities to conduct research and collaborate with their peers worldwide. This is the introduction of Dr. Abdus Salam. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.